up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying to do a last minute outfit kinda. So I know you guys see a bunch of knit wrap, what is it called? The knit wrap tops where you can wrap them different ways and stuff. So I want to make one. I don't have any knit, but I do have this old blanket, and it's the same material I used to make the tapestry shirt. So it's like kind of that fabric. So I'm gonna have the shingles at the end. So it looks pretty easy to make. I haven't seen anyone make this top though. So we're gonna do this real quick. I'm probably gonna make multiple. I feel like it's easy, but we'll see. I just screenshot how the top looks unwrapped, and we're literally gonna go off of a picture of how it looks, and it looks like it's just 4 pieces of long fabric wrapped sewed together. So we're gonna try this out. Hopefully I do it right. I don't know. I feel like it's easy, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to do it right now. Thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but I'm trying to get back into it. So we're gonna start this first video of the year. It's already almost the middle of the year. We're gonna do the DIY. We're gonna do a wrap top, a knit wrap top, because I don't know, this is knit. Yeah, so a knit wrap top. We're using a blanket. Okay? The blanket. This was $5 at Goodwill. So I feel like this would be long enough, but which way is the longest way? Probably this way. So yeah, we're gonna make it. The length is gonna be at least the longest length. So I'm gonna fold this down. I'm not gonna measure how long this is. I'm just gonna use the longest that it can be, the least the width of the body part, because that's the part that wraps around multiple times. Kind of an angle, like this. I'm gonna try to cut kind of like that, so my back can have some space.
No, we do what we go on the game.
Is the back part. This is gonna be extra. I'm gonna make this longer so that it can do the wrapping. And then these are these pieces, which are perfect.
My bitch got cake, she slay her face, get here in the race. Yeah, we paid. Fuck what the op say. Yeah, it ain't safe. Hey, we don't play. Hey, you niggas some late, don't fuck with Jay. I snatch your chain. Hey, niggas ain't safe. Oh, let it spray. Now niggas in the grave. Hey, don't let the fame or these gold rings get to my brain.
Okay, so right now what I'm doing is matching up each end to extend the width of the wrap dress. And then I'm going to sew both those sides just to make it longer, match them up, make sure you do right sides together. Well, if it's the same color, I have a pattern, so I had to match it up correctly. But yeah, just match them up, sew it together so that you can extend the length of the top.
Brand new safe, cause the nigga got bank. My bitch got cake, she slay her face, get here in the race. Yeah, we paid. Fuck what the op say.
Right here I'm doing the same for the breast part of the top, just sewing or matching it up because I do have a pattern, and so I can sew a flat stitch going across, and just sewing it up right now using my sewing machine. I did use clips to pin everything together, and yeah.
We do what we go on the game. Brand new safe, cause the nigga got bank. My bitch got cake, she slay her face, get here in the race. Yeah, we paid. Fuck what the op say. And it ain't safe.
Let me show you guys how to tie it. So basically, these are the front panel. Make sure your boobs are how you want them. So then you wrap one, and then you take the other one and wrap it. You can wear it to the side. Let me see how that looks. I don't have glasses on, so I don't really know how that looks. Wear it to the side, or tie it up in the back of the top hat. Tie it in the back of the boat. You can wrap it around again and tie it in the front. The one underneath. No. This one. And then tie it. And then it's like flipped, I guess. And then tie it in the back. Take the side in the front. And then just tuck it in. Tuck it in. There you have that. Oh, I actually like that. That's cute. Alright, so I have it backwards. This is the back. It's not backwards, but you can wear it this way too. It's really cute. And you put in the little loops. Yeah, that's ugly. Wear it backwards, and then tie it to the side. So yeah, you can wear it this way. Get up in the front. And yeah, those are the ways you can wear it. The air's on, but where is it at? It's not over here. I'm sweating. I have the air on, but I have so many freaking windows. Yeah, think about that when you get a place. When you got a lot of windows, the air don't cool off the entire house. So basically, you're running air conditioning for no reason because you're burning up in the living room. Because I'm freaking sweating. Okay, my outfit. I took off them little ratchet nails because it was just too much. This is the outfit. I really like it. It's really cute. It's really summertime. I mean, it's kind of hot, low-key, because it is a blanket. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope this was an easy tutorial for you guys to recreate. Yeah, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at BP Exclusive. I have a TikTok, BP Exclusive, and yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.